Hello everyone, welcome to A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis. We are making a house a blessed home. Today I am sharing 3 ways you could use a rolling kitchen serving cart with storage in your home by YitaHome. YitaHome gifted me this kitchen cart and I am super excited to share with you the ways I will be using it in my home. I am unboxing it, or my hubby is unboxing it, getting ready to assemble it, and it took him no time at all to assemble this rolling kitchen serving cart. All of the items you need are in the box, including tools, but as you will see, any hubby or man, when they have the excuse to pull out a couple of tools, they will. So my hubby, he pulled out his drill to make the assembly go a little quicker. All of the screws you need are there. In some areas, my hubby did use the Allen wrench to assemble it. The instructions are easy to read. They are numbered or labeled with ABC labeling, so it's easy to set up. This rolling kitchen serving cart is an industrial type style, very durable, made of heavy metal and wood. Here he is placing the side rails and these brackets that holds wine glasses. So this rolling kitchen serving cart can be used in so many different ways. Now all we have to do is place the wheels on the cart. You have 2 that lock and 2 regular, and we will be good to go. So one way I will use this cart in my home is using it as a baking cart. I have placed my KitchenAid mixer on the top shelf with a cookbook. The next shelf, I have different spices and different sprinkles and treats with a measuring spoon and a bowl. Things that I will use when baking will be placed on this cart. And guys, I will keep this cart assembled this way and roll it into my pantry. So every time I want to bake, I have everything on hand. And I can just pull it into my kitchen and I am good to go. Now the next way I will use this serving cart, or should I say hubby, he can use it at his grill. Have it set up with things that he needs when he's cooking on the grill. Have his seasonings, have a cast iron pot, tongs, grill pans, etc. Everything that he will need, he has it on this cart. And lastly, I will be using it to serve dinner outside to my family. I can place all the foods that I plan on serving for dinner on the cart with my dishes and forks and everything that we need and we can sit outside, enjoy the weather, because the weather here is nice in Florida still, and we can have family time, family fun, and conversation. I would like to thank YitaHome for gifting me this amazing rolling kitchen serving cart with storage. If you are interested in this cart, I will have the information listed down in my description box down below, as well as a coupon code or a discount code for all of my blesties. If you are new here, welcome. I'm so glad that you are here, and I hope you decide to stay by clicking that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. Like, comment, share, and follow me on all of my social media sites, and shop my Amazon store for home decor, home essentials, and more. All of those links can be found in my description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys. Have a blessed, beautiful day. Please be safe out there, and I will talk to you real soon. Love you guys.